are doing a nano needle infusion with Kathy. She's actually our plated rep, so I'm excited because we're going to do the infusion and then we're going to immediately put on plated. I love nano needling because it's great for texture, it's great for pigmentation, it's great for collagen synthesis, but more importantly, it actually helps your products get deeper into the skin. It's very similar to micro needling, but instead of creating that trauma to the skin, nano needling does almost the same thing, but it actually separates the cells for about 20 minutes. So any product you put on afterwards, it gets even deeper into the skin for better results. So today, what we are going to be nano needling for the glide is Revision Revox, one of my favorite products. As I mentioned yesterday, it's so versatile. You can use this as your glide when you're nano needling, and this is going to help if you get Botox, or if you don't, it's going to help either make your Botox last longer, or if you're somebody who doesn't get Botox, it's actually going to help over time smooth out fine lines and wrinkles, as well as stop the skin from actually creating that wrinkle. You shouldn't. Ready?
Yep.
So you shouldn't feel anything for the most part. More just an annoyance. How's it feel?
Oh, it's fine.
Cool.
Just kind of vibrating about it.
Yeah.
In the Rescue MD.
Yes, that is my fave. I'm gonna go cleansers and lip products.
Oh, how funny.
Yeah. So we always work in quadrants of the face when we're nano needling. So I'm just going to stop and really quick apply the plated intense while those channels are open, so we can get these exosomes even deeper into the skin that they already go. And she's going to have phenomenal results with this pairing. We have nano needled in Revox from Revision. We have applied our plated intense, and now I'm going to finish the treatment. Some people see a little bit of erythema after nano needling. She has a little bit, so I'm going to apply my Epicutis Lipid Mask. This is guaranteed to take that away in about 10 to 15 minutes. It's also extremely cooling to the skin and amazing also for fine lines and wrinkles. My favorite facial mask, so we're going to apply that, and we'll see you guys in 15 minutes. Sorry, it's going to be like sloppy. I put mine over my lip. So while the Epicutis Lipid Mask is sitting for 15 minutes, I like to talk to my client about aftercare. What's really great about a nano needle infusion is that you can go back to your regular skincare immediately. In fact, we would want to put our concentrated serums on after it because they're going to do even more deeper in the skin. The only thing I wouldn't use, obviously, would be any type of aggressive acids, exfoliation, or prescriptions after doing a nano needle.
So our plated products can really be a little bit versatile. They can be used in a treatment room after a procedure, but they can also just be applied topically and be part of your skincare routine. We have a published study with Intense being used twice a day for 6 weeks, and across the board the patients saw amazing results. A decrease in the appearance of redness, fine lines, brown spots, and wrinkles. Their skin texture and overall skin tone improved. You'll see sometimes people on social media talk about that plated glow. It really does give you a glow once you've been using it.